Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hello there, Cursive Superstars, and welcome to Master Cursive with Colors. I'm Miss Jackie, and very happy to see you again. Today's magical mission is an introduction to the last two cursive lowercase letters of X and Z. That's right, two amazing letters that help us make words like X-ray and zebra. So before we get going, we need to get our supplies. You know the drill, 7 rainbow colors. You know what they are by now. If not, any 7 dark colors will work. You also need page 37 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. Now, if you need to pause the video to go get the supplies, go get them, and I'll wait here until you get back. Are you ready for the magic to begin? Then follow me. Okay, here I have today's supplies, workbook page 37, and my rainbow crayons. You may be wondering, why is there a yellow star? Well, we have made it to the last 2 letters of lowercase instruction. Letter X as in X-ray and letter Z as in zebra. So this star is here to remind us that we are learning superstars. We have lots to do today, so let's get to it. First thing I would like us to do is to work together to get our name on the paper, get our start dot started, and look at the directions. So please take your green marker. Together we will go and put our name at the top of our paper. I'm Miss Jackie. You write your name. Now it says just to follow the directions. So I'm asking you to please come to the place where all lowercase letters start at the baseline and make your green start dots right there. Then I'd like you to take your yellow crayon, and you may not know it, but X is a 2-part letter or a finish later letter. And so we are going to have to come off of the end, and then we're going to have to slow down and come here. And in the letter Z, this is an area where I like to slow down because I'm going to have to reverse my direction right around this spot. And I like to tell students that the letter Z often can look like the letter or the number 3. Same kind of formation. And so Z and 3 rhyme. Maybe you can see a little bit of the number 3 in there. And finally, let's take our red crayon and let's mark the spot where each letter will end. And X will end here on the first pass and here after we finish it later. And letter Z will end here after its tail connector passes the baseline. Nice job. Okay. We are now going to move to an I do, which means you listen and watch like an owl. I will explain how letter X is formed. I'm going to place my red crayon at the green dot, and I'm going to ramp up and go over the hill, almost like a roller coaster hill. And then I'm going to slide down toward the baseline and curve up for my connector. Then I will pick up, I will move it over here to the yellow dot, and I will pull down to the left, a diagonal downward left turn to come down to the baseline. And that is the letter X. Now I would like you to join me. Here we go. Take your red crayon. We're going to ramp up and go over the big hill, down the roller coaster, curl at the baseline. Stop, pick up, go to a different place on the yellow spot, and pull down toward the left and touch the baseline. That is the letter X. Okay, let's go to the next color in our rainbow writing, which is orange. And here we go. Let's ramp up, over the top, down like a roller coaster, curve, go to the stop dot, pick up, come over to the yellow spot, and pull down to the left toward the baseline. That is the letter X. Let's take our yellow, put it on the start dot, up and over, down, and to the connector. Pick up, come over to the yellow dot, and pull down toward the left for X. Now I think you are ready to finish all the other colors of the rainbow, and I will work while you work. How did you do? Don't forget to trace it with your writing finger and pick up and finish the X later. If we're going too fast, pause the video. Nice job. Okay. I think we're ready to move on to the last letter of instruction, the Z. I want you to watch and listen like an owl. Once I put my marker or crayon down, I am not going to pick up until I finish all the way through. This is a connecting tail, and it will turn left like the letter G. And we're going to place our crayon here, and it's going to be the same motion as the X. Now just listen and watch. I'm going to go up and over. I'm going to come down to the baseline. I don't stop, but then I pop up in like that number 3 motion, and I come down with a connecting tail, turn left and up and through to the stop dot. Okay, now what I would like you to do is I would like you to join me with red. Here we go, on the start dot. Ready? Up and over, down to the baseline, pop up, down for the tail, turn around, and pull through for that connector. Well done. Now take orange, and here we go. Up and over, down, pop up, sort of in a number 3 motion, turn left, and go through with the connecting tail. All right, the next color in rainbow is yellow, and let's ramp up the roller coaster hill, down, pop up, like a number 3 motion, turn left, and all the way through. I notice I'm driving off the black line a little bit. That's okay. We're not perfect, and mistakes are made while you're learning. Now what I would like is for you to finish the letter Z, and I will work while you work. You do. Don't forget, trace it with your writing finger and really feel that texture. We should be using our whole arm as we learn the formation. Now we have an empty spot. What do you think we should do with it? I think we should draw something that makes us happy. I'm very proud of all of your hard work, and so I'm going to make a smiley face. You can draw whatever makes you happy. If dinosaurs make you happy, draw a dinosaur. If butterflies make you happy, draw a butterfly. If flowers make you happy, draw some flowers. Smiley faces make me happy, so that's what I'm going to draw. Oops, I think my red has just about had it. I'm going to give my smiley face some orange curly hair too. Think about give this face some green eyes. And boy oh boy, I am so proud of myself and you. Well done.
Wow,
You did it, Cursive Superstars. Today, we practice proper letter formation with rainbow writing and big, bold strokes. Keep practicing by copying more pages of today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, every time you practice, your cursive abilities and confidence expand. And did you know? Trying something new is how your superpowers grow. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time for more cursive fun. See you soon.